Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Wonka costume is probably one of the most iconic and whimsical outfits a person can choose for a party, Halloween, or any themed event, instantly transporting you into the magical world of Willy Wonka with its distinctive top hat, colorful coat, and perhaps even a golden ticket accessory. This ensemble isn't just clothing, it's an invitation to embrace a sense of playful adventure and childlike wonder, making it a standout choice that is sure to bring smiles and spark conversations wherever you go, embodying the spirit of pure imagination and eccentric charm that the character is so beloved for. Number 5. FEISEDY White Oval Clout Goggles B2253. Step back in time with these iconic oval clout goggles. Their retro design offers a unique blend of vintage charm and contemporary style. Perfect for both women and men, these goggles are a versatile accessory. They add a touch of personality to any outfit. Make a bold statement with these trendy rimmed frames. They are inspired by classic fashion and are sure to turn heads. Crafted for comfort, these goggles are lightweight and easy to wear all day. The durable frame ensures they'll be a staple in your collection. Channel the spirit of iconic fashion with these clueless-inspired frames. They are the perfect accessory for costume parties or everyday edgy looks. Experience the quality and style that FEISEDY is known for. These goggles are designed to impress and last. What we like. These offer a distinct retro vibe, perfect for channeling a specific iconic look. If you're aiming for a nostalgic or pop culture-inspired outfit, these are a fantastic choice. They are ideal for completing a clueless or similar themed costume. What people say. The costume is made of good quality material and fits true to size. The hat is adjustable and stays on well, even with movement. The details on the jacket are very accurate to the movie character. Number 4. Willy Wonka Kids Costume by Rubies. Step into the magical world of Willy Wonka with this iconic costume. Perfect for your little one's imagination. This officially licensed costume includes the signature jacket with attached shirt front and tie. It's designed for comfort and authenticity. While pants and gloves are sold separately, this ensemble provides the essential elements for a truly enchanting transformation. Available in boys size small, 4 to 6, this costume ensures a great fit for your child's adventures. Please check sizing as costumes may run smaller. Ideal for Halloween, themed parties, or just everyday imaginative play. Life is truly more fun in costume. From Rubies, the ultimate costume destination, this piece sparks joy and creativity. Get ready for a world of fun. What we like. This ensemble provides the core elements of the beloved character's iconic look. If you're looking for a complete and officially recognized costume for a young fan, this is the one. It's perfect for Halloween or themed parties where authenticity matters. What people say. The costume is very detailed and accurate to the movie. The fabric is high quality and durable. The fit is true to size and comfortable to wear. Number 3. Willy Wonka Oompa Loompa Value Costume. Ever wanted to be part of the whimsical world of Willy Wonka? Now you can with this fantastic costume. Embrace the spirit of the beloved Oompa Loompa. This costume is perfect for any fan of the classic tale. Crafted for both fun and comfort, this outfit allows for easy movement. You'll be ready for any adventure. Whether it's a costume party or Halloween night, this is the ideal choice. Stand out with this unique and recognizable look. Get ready to sing, dance, and spread joy. This costume brings the magic of the factory right to you. What we like. This costume captures the instantly recognizable appearance of the factory workers. If you need a straightforward and affordable way to embody this character, this is a great option. It's ideal for group costumes or quick party attire. What people say. The costume is made of good quality material and fits true to size. The details on the jacket are very accurate to the movie, especially the embroidery. It comes with all the accessories shown in the picture, including the hat and cane. Number 2. Willy Wonka Oompa Loompa Value Costume. Ever wanted to be part of Willy Wonka's whimsical world? Now you can with this fun costume. Embrace the spirit of the beloved Oompa Loompa. This costume is perfect for any fan of the classic tale. Whether it's a costume party or a night of trick-or-treating, this outfit is sure to bring smiles and delight. Designed for comfort and maximum fun, it's a great choice for kids and adults alike. Get ready for an adventure. Bring the magic of the chocolate factory to life. This is your chance to create unforgettable memories. What we like. This option provides a full and vibrant transformation into the character. If you want a costume that is immediately identifiable and includes key accessories for a striking effect, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to fully immerse themselves in the role. What people say. The costume is made of high-quality material that feels durable and comfortable. The details on the jacket, like the buttons and embroidery, are very well done and add to the authenticity. The hat included in the set is a perfect fit and completes the iconic look. Number 1. Fun Shack Kids Chocolate Factory Worker Costume. Unleash your child's creativity with this delightful costume. Perfect for imaginative play and bringing their favorite stories to life. Transform into a character from the magical world of chocolate. This outfit is designed for fun and adventure. Inspired by beloved book characters, this costume lets your child step into a fantastical narrative. It's ideal for dress-up and themed events. Bring the enchantment of the movies right into your home. This costume captures the essence of a classic film character. Get ready for a journey filled with wonder and excitement. This costume is your child's ticket to an unforgettable experience. Whether it's for a party, Halloween, or just a day of play, this costume provides endless entertainment. It's a fantastic addition to any dress-up collection. What we like. This outfit is designed for imaginative play centered around a famous sweet establishment. If your child loves role-playing and wants to be part of a magical factory setting, this is a wonderful choice. It's great for dress-up or themed events. What people say. The costume is very well made with attention to detail. The fabric is surprisingly durable and has held up well to wear. The colors are vibrant and true to the character's design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.